It's time for Great Pros to Know with Anthem Injury Lawyers, the sponsors of this segment. Personal injury attorney Puneet Garg is back to discuss unseen consequences of delayed medical treatment after an injury. Is that right?
Yep, you got it.
Okay, and first things first, we were just talking about empathy. It's really important for the attorneys to understand where the clients are coming from.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, as a car accident victim in the past, it's just really important to understand where your clients are coming from, especially with regards to their injuries and the chronic pain that could be in.
Definitely, definitely. Now let's get right into it. Why is it so crucial for individuals to seek that prompt medical attention? First
off, so that the doctors can fully diagnose what type of injury someone may have. Anything minor from a headache to blurry vision could be indicative of a traumatic brain injury, so early diagnosis is important. And from a legal standpoint, it's also important to get that early treatment and diagnosis so that we can fight any notion from an insurance company that, hey, this injury is not related to the accident. Goes to causation.
Yeah, so that impacts the claim itself.
Absolutely.
Yeah. How is that?
The claim, because the longer you wait, they're going to say maybe it was something else that caused the injury. You know, maybe you were jumping on a trampoline or something else, or you slipped on the wet road that you were crossing.
They can gaslight you, quote unquote, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Now, what about those injuries? This is complicated. The injuries that the symptoms can come later from. What do you do with that?
Well, it's important to keep a diary of everything you're going through and talking to your doctor about it, and sometimes it's just a cumulative effect. Again, going back to that example of a traumatic brain injury, if you talk to your doctor in detail from day one about, hey, these are the things I'm going through, and maybe on day 60 they're like, look, you have all the symptoms, the dizziness, the memory loss, the headaches, the blurry vision. You know, if you don't mention that from day one, it's hard for the doctor to diagnose that.
Definitely. That's really good advice, to keep a diary.
Absolutely.
Don't think about that.
All of our clients are given a diary on day one to keep a track of their pain and suffering, all the issues they're facing, and it's really therapeutic to be able to vent into your writings as to what you're going through.
I agree. Now let's talk about the process of filing the claim, when they call you guys, just how does it work in general?
They're supposed to, you know, I would say call an attorney such as Anthem right away so that we can guide you. It's not only about the injuries, we could also guide you with the car damage stuff, of course. But with the treatment, you know, we take pride, especially at our firm, on getting you to the right doctors and the right care. We can find you the right doctors who could treat you and who are located to your house or to your work.
Oh, good. Okay, thank you so much. This is always really good information and reminders to keep in mind here. Thank you to Anthem Injury Lawyers for sponsoring this segment. Give them a call at 702-987-0202 or visit antheminjurylaw.com.